Regarding this matter, there is no way to remain silent. It is possible that the price of our much-loved cryptocurrency will rapidly increase for one reason. Earlier this month, Ripple's CEO stated that the litigation against the SEC will be resolved. What a cool thing, isn't it? However, it then becomes much more intriguing. In the background, XRP Operations Ripple has begun working with Dubai on a collaborative project. At this point, you simply cannot afford to ignore this bullish indication. Hold on tight, because that video is going to blow your mind. I hereby defer. Since its inception, the cryptocurrency known as XRP, which is affiliated with Ripple Labs, has been the subject of much debate and conjecture within the cryptocurrency world. In particular, because of the current legal struggle that it is engaged in with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Since the beginning of the case in the year 2020, the primary focus has been on determining whether or not XRP ought to be categorized as a security. This classification has the potential to have substantial regulatory repercussions for the cryptocurrency industry. The world of cryptocurrency is buzzing with forecasts and guesses. This is because the judicial proceedings are getting closer and closer to a conclusion. Trumcoin has published a tweet that draws attention to a significant event that is on the horizon. The court battle between Ripple and the SEC is scheduled to be resolved in August of 2024. Additionally, in November of 2024, we will see the inauguration of the crypto president, Donald Trump. From a regulatory environment that is currently in a state of upheaval to one that is flawless, XRP will see a transition. This tweet encapsulates the enormous risks involved as well as the prospective regulatory shift that could be advantageous to XRP. Jack the Rippler, an additional commentator, provides a more direct perspective on the matter. Any moment now, the SEC vs. Ripple dispute will come to an end. Similarly, Mickle expresses a feeling of impending resolution to this situation. Those who assert during this time, Crypto Barbie provides an additional level of precision by pointing out that the court establishes deadlines for motions and hearings. On July 26th, the deadline for filing a notification concerning the exclusion of the testimony of experts is that date. It is anticipated that Judge Torres will make his ultimate ruling by the end of July. The XRP community is experiencing a real sense of anticipation, which is highlighted by these perspectives. The broader market patterns have been reflected in the price of XRP, which has been suffering from pressure. During the month of July, XRP had a decrease of 8%, while Bitcoin also experienced a decline like this. On the other hand, despite this pessimistic tendency, there are analysts who anticipate a possible comeback. Recently, a renowned commentator known as the Ripple Effect brought attention to an important technical pattern that was seen on Twitter. The big collapse of a gigantic triangular pattern in the price chart of XRP was brought to his attention, and he issued a warning that a weekly closing below 42 cents would indicate severely bearish conditions. He is of the opinion that XRP is currently experiencing a primary wave 2 correction. In contrast to this long-term perspective, Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, forecasts a more positive schedule, predicting that the case might be resolved by the end of this year. This is because the case is currently in the beginning stages of the settlement negotiating process. Some industry experts are anticipating a final verdict as soon as this month, which is consistent with the optimism that is being expressed here, due to the fact that the outcome of the Ripple vs. CC lawsuit is expected to have a significant influence on the future of XRP. The XRP community is keeping a close eye on these events. The legal clouds are beginning to lift, and it remains to be seen if XRP will experience a regulatory renaissance or whether it will continue to confront ambiguity. There is one thing that is very evident, and that is the possibility that the outcome of this lawsuit will be a defining moment for XRP and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. But what are the thoughts of cryptocurrency analysts on the future of the XRP Ripple coin? Is a significant breakthrough on the verge of being achieved? Remember to hold on to your seats, because the information that you are about to hear has the potential to completely alter everything that you believed you knew about XRP. Your mind is going to be completely blown by these forecasts. Therefore, XRP is now negotiating a complex maze of market demands and regulatory hurdles during this time. In spite of this, an intriguing new development has surfaced in the midst of all this turmoil. This new development is the bent fork chart, which was presented by Agrag Crypto in June of 2023. It has attracted the attention of traders as well as analysts. Utilizing historical data and critical resistance levels, the bent fork chart is a technical analysis tool that was developed with the purpose of mapping out possible price moves of XRP. Because of its distinctively curved design, it draws attention to important places at which the price may face considerable support or resistance, providing investors with a forecast roadmap. Those who are interested in predicting the next significant move that XRP will make have turned their attention to this cutting-edge chart. According to the most recent update on the bent fork chart provided by Agrag Crypto, an aggressive peak objective of $17 has been suggested for XRP. When compared to the current price, this projection represents a startling potential increase of 3,008.53%. Nevertheless, how feasible is this objective? And what are the conditions that must be met for XRP to achieve such heights? As indicated by the bent fork chart, the $1 level is a significant resistance level. This level represents a psychological and structural obstacle that has traditionally been difficult for XRP to overcome. If this barrier were to be broken, it would not only indicate that there is a strong bullish momentum, but it would also herald the beginning of further upward movement. After this point, the chart indicates that XRP has reached its all-time high of $3.50. According to Igrag Crypto, if this all-time high is surpassed, it may be possible to unlock what he eloquently calls to as the gates to Valhalla, signaling that there is the possibility of a significant price increase. The forecast accuracy of the bent fork chart has been shown by the conduct of the market in recent times. For instance, XRP reached 40 cents, which is in line with the prognosis that was displayed on the chart. Based on the information provided by Igrag Crypto, the next significant level to keep an eye on is 75 cents. In order to establish a positive trend, it is necessary for the price to close higher than this level, which will pave the way for additional increases. It is impossible to deny that the forecast of a peak gold price of $17 for XRP is an extremely ambitious one. In order to accomplish this, it would be necessary to overcome multiple levels of resistance and successfully navigate the volatility of the overall market. Nevertheless, the bent fork chart has maintained a certain level of trust among traders and analysts due to the fact that it has been historically accurate. In the event that XRP continues along this path, it has the potential to see one of the most stunning price increases in the evolution of cryptocurrencies. When we consider the future, the current legal struggle that Ripple is engaged in with the SEC continues to be a highly significant variable. It is possible that a favorable verdict for Ripple might act as a significant impetus. It is a watershed moment for the global adoption and regulatory recognition of XRP that this approval has been granted under the virtual asset system within the Dubai International Financial Center. The decision made by the Dubai Financial Services Authority DFSA to include XRP among popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin highlights Dubai's proactive position towards the promotion of innovation and evasion of the provision of legal certainty. The Chief Executive Officer of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, emphasized this point by noting that Dubai continues to display worldwide leadership in terms of the regulation of virtual assets and the cultivation of innovation. Not only does this regulatory certainty improve the legitimacy of XRP, but it also positions Dubai as a global financial hub that is capable of attracting foreign investment and fostering economic growth through innovations in fintech. The focus of XRP Ripple is on facilitating faster and more efficient global value exchange, which is what sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies, in contrast to the majority of cryptocurrencies, which place an emphasis on anonymity and decentralization. XRP is based on a consensus ledger that makes it possible to improve the liquidity of international financial transactions. It is because of this focus on solving real-world challenges in financial transactions that XRP stands out from other cryptocurrencies and makes it an appealing option for institutions who are looking for blockchain solutions that are dependable and scalable. The widespread adoption of XRP could have significant repercussions for those who own it already. With the integration of XRP into the financial ecosystems of key global hubs, such as Dubai, the utility and validity of this cryptocurrency are significantly increasing. After receiving clearance from the DFSA, licensed virtual asset companies located inside the DIFC now have the ability to include XRP into their services. This could potentially lead to an increase in the number of use cases and demand for XRP.